Most people think they need a bigger paycheck to become wealthy. But the truth is, it's not how much you earn, it's what you do with what you earn. The first habit keeping people poor is spending money to impress others. Expensive clothes, luxury cars, and things they don't need, all to gain approval from people who don't really care. The second habit is waiting for the perfect time to start investing. The perfect time doesn't exist. Every day you wait is a day your money isn't working for you. The third habit is relying on a single source of income. If one paycheck stops, everything stops. The fourth habit is buying liabilities and calling them assets. If it takes money out of your pocket every month, it's not making you richer. The fifth habit is ignoring financial education. Most people spend years learning how to earn money, but never learn how to keep it. The sixth habit is living paycheck to paycheck. No matter how much they make, they spend it all. And the seventh habit? Believing that wealth is only for lucky people. It's not. Wealth is built through small, smart decisions repeated every day. The choices you make today determine where you'll be 5 years from now. Start saving, start learning, start investing, because your future self is watching and counting on you.